guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best SD cards. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the SD cards in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best SD cards on the market right now. Coming in number 10, we've got the Sony Tough G. This ultra tough G SD card from Sony does things that a lot of other SD cards cannot, but you will pay for performance and quality. Here is why. When designing this SD card, Sony had toughness and durability at the forefront. It is the first one-piece construction SD card that has a whopping 18 times greater bend strength than the standard card. As well, this card is ribless, without a write protection switch, as Sony wanted all the easily broken parts out of the picture. You'll be getting 64 GB of storage space and blazing fast transfer speeds of up to 300 MB per second. With Class 10 and a U3 rating, this card can handle any type of photography or video recording you want to throw at it, including 4K UHD. So if you ask me, this is a must-have SD card for professionals. Number 9. SanDisk Ultra. This is the first offering from SanDisk on this list, this time with the Ultra SD card. This model has a lot to offer for photographers and videographers. If you own a point-and-shoot digital camera or a camcorder, this is going to be the ultimate budget purchase that will enhance your storage and performance. You will get 64 GB of storage with a Class 10 and a U1 rating that delivers read speeds of up to 80 MB per second. As well, this little beauty will allow you to seamlessly capture videos in full 1080p HD for lifelike video quality. It's compatible with both SDxc and SDxc devices for versatility and convenience. SanDisk has also added layers of protection for your precious data, as the card is magnet-proof, shock-proof, temperature-proof, waterproof, and X-ray proof. To top it up, it comes with a 10-year limited warranty. Coming at number 8, PNY Elite. PNY has made a name for itself in portable storage, and the Elite SD card is going to give you some amazing value on the dollar. With the Elite SD card, you will receive 128 GB of ultra-fast storage that can transfer data at 95 MB per second. This is thanks to its Class 10 and U3 ratings that will also allow you to flawlessly shoot 4K Ultra HD video and even burst mode high-definition photos. Anyone who owns a digital camera or video camera is going to appreciate the versatility and performance of this Elite SD card. It is built to last and has protection from falls, magnets, shocks, temperature, and even water. So if you are consciously looking for a high quality and high performance storage for your camera at under $20, the PNY Elite SD card will do just right. Coming at number 7, Kingston Micro SD. In case you're searching for a micro SD card to put inside your camera or drone, then you'll need something that can write and record information with speed, while additionally having the option to withstand drops, stuns, and sprinkles. This is where the Kingston Micro SD action camera comes in, a micro device structured particularly for activity cameras. This implies it has a fantastically vigorous plan, just as a decent read and write speed. It is a bit unnecessary in case you're simply going to utilize it on a cell phone. It's best for cameras, drones, or any recording device. So if you're looking for a simple write disk, we've got this one for you. Number 6, Integral 512 GB Micro SDxc Class 10. Numerous micro SD cards are a low limit, which is fine on the off chance you need an additional piece of room in your cell phone or tablet. Yet, in case you're taking heaps of high goals pictures, or you need to exploit current cell phones' help for micro SD cards up to 2TB in size, at that point, the Integral 512 micro SDxc Class 10 memory card is certainly worth considering, offering a gigantic 512GB of extra room. Obviously, you can likewise get variants with less space in the event that you don't require that much. However, for those of you who need to store huge videos, this is the best micro SD card for you. Coming at number 5, Samsung Pro Plus Micro SD Card. If you do a lot of filming, especially in 4K, then you're going to want a reliable micro SD card that can write large amounts of data fast, which is exactly what the Samsung Pro Plus can do. It features a U3 rating and read-write speeds of 95 megabytes per second and 90 megabytes per second. The kind of speeds the Samsung Pro Plus micro SD card can handle will be largely wasted for day-to-day tasks, such as being installed into a smartphone. But for 4K video, this is a fantastic buy. Coming at number 4, Transcend SDxc uhs-ii. If you're shooting raw files and want a card that can handle bursts of the highest quality imagery, as well as a capacity that allows for sufficient storage to avoid having to swap cards every 5 minutes, the Transcend SDxc uhs-ii is an excellent belter that delivers whether you're shooting raw files or high-resolution video. While the 64GB maximum capacity may appear a little modest at first compared with other options out there, the performance is anything but, with blisteringly swift read and write speeds of 285 megabytes per second and 180 megabytes per second, respectively. Capable of working with a UHS-2 compatible DSLR or camcorder, speeds are up to 3 times faster than standard UHS-1 SD memory cards. This card is also shock and X-ray proof, giving enthusiasts and pros added peace of mind. A great value card for shooting raw files and videos. Number 3, Samsung Evo Plus Micro SD Card. One of the best micro SD cards you can purchase is, in fact, a micro SD card, yet one that can be utilized full estimate when hitched to the correct equipment. Regardless of not being the strongest SD card available, the Samsung Evo Plus's 100 megabytes for every second read and 90 megabytes per second compose paces are noteworthy in any case. Yet there is a wide assortment of sizes to browse as well. So whether you need 32 gigabytes of capacity or 128 gigabytes, rest guaranteed you're getting the best micro SD card. Coming at number 2, Lexar Professional 633X. This SD card from Lexar is going to perfectly pair price with performance and going to give you efficient and economical portable storage. The Lexar Professional 633X comes with a 64GB storage capacity, which is going to be plenty for most digital cameras and other devices. You're also going to get high-speed data transfer that can reach up to 95 megabytes per second under the proper conditions. This SD card from Lexar is fully capable of transferring and storing 1080p, 3D, and even 4K UHD videos, thanks to the U3 speed rating and Class 10 performance. There's not much that this SD card can't do. So, if you've been needing to upgrade to faster and larger storage on your DSLR camera, the Lexar Professional 633X is a great option. Number 1, SanDisk Extreme SD. SanDisk has produced a lightning-fast and reliable SD card that's going to give you a lot of bang for your buck at under $30. With this purchase, you will be getting an ultra-versatile SD card with 128 gigabytes of storage capacity and transfer speeds that can reach 150 megabytes per second. Perfect for people capturing video, as it also has shot speeds of up to 70 megabytes per second for flawless video, as well as a U3 speed classification for 4K Ultra HD video capabilities. SanDisk has also ensured that the SD card is rugged and tough. It is the ultimate protection that makes it shock-proof, temperature-proof, waterproof, and X-ray proof. You can literally take this card anywhere you need it. As well, you're going to get access to 2 years of Rescue Pro Deluxe, which is software that allows you to recover and restore deleted images. with a lifetime warranty and a price you can't beat, and a great buy for anyone needing portable storage. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best SD cards. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.